In this video, we'll explore rate limiting in Express. Rate limiting is crucial for protecting your application programming interfaces from abuse. We will be using rate limiting middleware. Rate limiting is a technique used to control the number of requests a client can make to an application programming interface within a specific time window. It helps in managing and protecting your server resources. Rate limiting is essential for several reasons. First, it helps prevent distributed denial of service attacks and application programming interface abuse by limiting the number of requests from a single source. Second, it ensures fair resource usage across all clients, preventing one user from monopolizing server resources. To implement rate limiting in your Express application, you can use the Express Rate Limit middleware, which is the most popular choice. To install it, open your terminal and run the command npm install express rate limit. Here's how to set up basic rate limiting in your Express application. First, import Express and the rate limit middleware. Create an Express application instance. Then, create a rate limiter instance using the rate limit function. Configure the rate limiter with options like window milliseconds, which defines the time window in milliseconds, and max, which sets the maximum number of requests allowed within that window. Finally, apply the rate limiter middleware to your application using app use. In this example, we limit each Internet Protocol address to 100 requests per 15 minutes. The Express Rate Limit middleware provides several configuration options to customize its behavior. Window milliseconds defines the duration of the time window in milliseconds. Max specifies the maximum number of requests allowed within the window. Message allows you to set a custom error message when the rate limit is exceeded. Standard headers includes rate limit headers in the response, providing information about the current rate limit status. You can also apply rate limiting to specific routes in your application. Create a rate limiter instance with specific settings, such as a smaller max value and a custom message. Apply this rate limiter as middleware to the desired route using app post or other HTTP methods. In this example, we limit login attempts to 5 per 15 minutes with a custom error message. Here are some best practices for implementing rate limiting effectively. Use stricter limits for sensitive endpoints, such as authentication or payment processing routes. For distributed applications, consider using Redis or another distributed data store to share rate limit information across multiple servers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.